Fully opening access doors allow for quick and easy servicing and maintenance to Kubota's Stage V water-cooled engine. Extending the dozer blade is as simple as pulling out one pin per extension. This then matches the dozer blade with the width of the extended tracks. A two-piece hose design reduces replacement time by 60% compared to non-joint types, eliminating the need to dismantle the machine for repairs. An easy-to-access and user-friendly canopy design focuses on operator comfort and visibility. The hydraulic hoses are tucked above the joint between the boom and digging arm to prevent any unnecessary damages, reducing the chances of the hoses catching. The excavator wiring harness is ready to accommodate orange beacon lights. We are continuing to use the proven Kubota anti-theft system. An easy to look at and easy to operate display screen. The U17 has a reach of up to 3.9 meters, a digging depth of 2.4 meters, with a powerful digging force of 15 kilonewtons. The track retraction and extension lever is tucked away to prevent accidental activation. Kubota's U-Series zero-tail swing models allow for easy operation in confined areas. Easy to operate via the responsive joystick control. The floor section can be removed for maintenance of the wiring system. The overhead canopy conforms to ROPS and FOPS Level 1 specifications.